And as we speak now, they are arranging on how to go and arrest Krokro parents for the debts she refuses to pay. She refuses to pay. They called me. The debt she hold, she refuses to pay. I just checked the exchange rate. 60 euro is above 100,000 naira. This is the person that is doing fake life. I want to be. I want to belong. I want to be. I want to be. You are sewing agbada for Kokobiri, but you cannot pay your mother's and father's debts. Wanna listen? Please, guys, help me to share. Help me to share. Help me to share. Thumbs up this video. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Let me share so we can start. As I want to share, guys, help me to share this video. Thumbs up. Comment or comment. Don't let me waste time on this, please. Help me to comment and share so we can just do it very quickly. If I can round up in 40 minutes, it's even better. But it shouldn't exceed 1 hour. No. It shouldn't exceed 1 hour. 40 minutes. Let me even see if I can do 40 minutes. 1 hour is even like too much for me because I have other things to do. I have other things to do. Guys, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Where are you watching from? Thumbs up, please. For those that don't know the story, let me quick give you a brief summary. Rita Krokro parents were arrested. Remember when she arrested Frank Victor's family, she asked for the refund of the expenses she spent, which was 200,000 naira. Frank Victor paid her back. When it gets to her turn, she could not even see bail, money to bail her parents. What then now happened? She could not even bail them. You will hear it now. Krokro parents were begging to be bailed on credits. The father showed his account. It was 0 naira. There was no money in the account. He showed it to the police people that they don't have money. So after much beg and beg and beg, they now decide to pay them on credit. Over 2 years plus. Ever since, I was shocked when the DPO called and said, do you know that these people have not paid that money? They have given them a long time. They have not paid. I was like, it's a lie. So I went, I said, no. I said, but that time she lied now that she has paid, that she even give you guys money. She shouted and said, what? So I said, okay, she was done. And I go to look for the video. And I cut the video. And I send it to the police people to say, look at it now. She said she has paid. The woman said, when? How? Which time? The woman was shouting, say, she has not paid though. Ever since. I said, really? Ever since? Good evening, Judy Tom. Ever since? He said, yes. What the words of her mouth is what even provoked the woman. She lied. Because I have to cut the video, because I don't want to use my mouth to say it. I have to cut the video and I send it to them. I said, long now, that time, she said she has paid you guys. I was aware that they were paying on credit. But she said she has paid. I thought maybe she bragging that she has paid. All this year, she must have paid you guys. They said, no, nothing like that. Please, guys, thumbs up this video. They said, no, nothing like that. She has not. I was like, Jesus, ever since. And this guy is doing a big, funny big girl that she's not. Which all of us know that there's no big girl in her. I was surprised. The woman had told me and the DPO that they are making arrangements to revisit them as soon as possible to get them arrested. The Nigeria police does not allow. It's because of their aging parents. They are old, and the father of Krokro showed his account. There was no dime in that account. That is why they had pity, because they stayed their money till night. That's why they had pity to pay them on credit. No, Nigeria police. They are you must pay them. No, they're not gonna let go like that. So as it is now, that they make plan on how to go arrest Krokro parents as we speak now. I don't know what must have happened because this morning we spoke. I don't know. But they told me that as soon as possible, they are going to get them arrested. That this girl, when they saw the video, I called to them. And before I even called that video, they are the one that contacted me to say, this girl has not still paid them their money. I said, I thought she has paid now. I know she bragged about it that she gave you guys money when she did not even give you guys money. But I thought she must have paid all this. Why? They said no. And that's okay. They should hold on. Let me cut a video that she used to say it. So I now cut the video and now screen record it and now send that particular part which she mentioned that she has paid. And I send it to them. Then I said, okay, no problem that. She lied on them. She's a liar. That they are going to mobilize and go to their house to get them arrested. Me, what am I trying to do? I'm trying to advocate for the police people because Rita is owing them money. She needs to go pay because this is a shame and disgrace. This is somebody that arrested from Victor's family, father, brothers and sisters, up to the son, the little boy, the son of Fra Victor. Fra Victor never paid his family on credit. Fra Victor even go as far as giving her all the money she spent in arresting his family. All the money Krokro spent in arresting Fra Victor's family. Fra Victor paid everything back to her. But when it comes to her now, she cannot even pay bail money of her parents. She cannot even clear her debts over 2 years plus. And I think it's wise of me, since they contacted me this morning, to come and talk about it. So she will run and go and pay so that they will not arrest those parents over credit. You know how Nigeria police is now. So that is why I am bringing the awareness. Ever since Rita Krokro has not been able to clear the debts, the credit on her parents' neck, the credits they use in paying them on credit, she has not been able to pay till this time. That is so, it's so a shame. It's so shameful. Rita Krokro, why have you not paid? They have contacted me because I have all of their contacts. Yes. They have contacted me. That's why I'm bringing this on board. Okay? Lovely, amazing people, please thumbs up and share this video. Let me play this thing to you so you can hear it. Please, if I get to 40 minutes on this video, please, somebody should let me know. I don't want to exceed 1 hour. If I get to 40 minutes, just let me know. Please, who can do that for me here? Although, I might also as well check it on my other phone. Please, somebody alert me when I get to 40 minutes. Breaking news, so make una come here, make una come here, make una come here, make una come here. How this guy go dey form Adaze? Not be 100,000. She said she go give that guy with the deport from Germany with his family that day. How come you not fit clear your papa debts? You want form big girl for social media, but the big girl not there your body at all. It's not there for your body. I bet make una tag bloggers so. AB Paris, oh yeah, oh come oh. More tag bloggers so na know, make they come cut this part so I want place so. Krokro no fit pay her parents' debt when they say beg them credit. Police, they don't dey vex. Nigeria police don't dey vex so. They don't dey vex. And they are going to mobilize to arrest them for their money. Okay, now see me, I can't use that way. Okay, let's go. Let me play the... Please, guys, thumbs up. I'm not seeing you guys' comments. Thumbs up the video. Let me on my speaker so that I go hear. So that I go hear, my lovely, amazing people. Okay. If you are ready, just say yes on the comment section. Let me start playing it. All right, quick, guys. Help me save time. Okay. If you are ready.
I've heard what she said.
Are you ready? If you are ready, say yes on the comment section. Let's play it. Oh yeah. Okay, this is it.
I've seen it too.
If you are ready.
I've heard what she said.
If you are ready, this is our police voice. Oh yeah, if you are ready, say yes. Thumbs up the video. I'm not getting you guys response. Is it that my network is not good, or you guys choose not to be responding to me, or what? You guys choose not to be responding, or what? Please, if you are ready, just say yes on the comment section. So let me go ahead. I don't want to exceed 1 hour. I'm going to keep to my words, right? Today. No. I have to come back. If you are ready, thumbs up this video and say yes. Oh yeah, okay. Oh, brother, now they call me. Mona say yes. Mona tag AB Paris. Mona tag blogger. Or better come cut this pass. Hey, God have mercy. Deto. You the old police, Nigeria police money for more than many. How long that is not there? I think it's up to more than 2 years now. You don't get paid bail money. Yay. You say they go forget. They not forget, oh. They not forget, oh. They not forget at all. They say they must collect their money. Okay. 2 people say yes. What about the rest people? Say yes, let's play it. Mona can't listen. Make blogger carry on my back. So that we go avoid the story that touches the heart. Make she go pay. Make they not go pick them. And Nigeria police, they are not smiling with anybody. A deal is a deal. Now see, and yeah, just now the parents they beg. When they release them on credit. That's the way they are abroad. You not see 100,000 naira take bail in parents. And she sabi say her parents go arrest people, family boss. When it come to her, she not see money. She live fake life. For social media. I want to belong. Locality where one belong by all means. Are we ready, my people? Let's go. Let me play it. Please thumbs up and share this video. I want to see thumbs up. Okay. More than listing. Thumbs up this video, lovely people. Thumbs up the video. Let's go. Akaosa for police, Nigeria police again. It is said they forget. They don't forget. So the DPO, I bet they call the IPO. I don't know. He called me this morning. He said, I was shocked. Said, Rita never still paid the money. Till now. Now I say, but she said she has paid. He said, no, now go cut the video. Now go look for the video where she take talk and now cut her. Screen record that, go send, go give them. The thing provoked them. They say, he never paid them. They need their money. They want mobilize, go arrest the parents. They go their house. Let's listen to it.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This one, she's a liar. No one, I've seen it.
Please, guys, thumbs up this video. I don't know what make I play. Now this one, I know. See, even though not just waste time, when I no one share this video, no one thumbs up. For 40 minutes, let me be checking my time. I'm checking it over here. Once it reach, I don't go with that. Let me say, no one here. I go play next time. Cause I get another show I want to. I get another show. Make I check. 21 minutes. Then we don't day. 1 hour now I get for this video. Are we ready? Share, thumbs up. That's all I ask. Thumbs up this video. Tag, what did they call them? Blogger. May they come see here. May they come cut this my video. May they help me beg. May they help the police people beg retailer may go pay their money. Now their money they want. They say if you not pay them, they go arrest. They'll go if Papa has go arrest them. They'll go arrest them. Okay? If you owe debt, you have to pay your debt. How much be 100,000? It's not even up to, let's say 60 euro. It's a little change. Yeah. 60 euro no go reach you take go supermarket make rubber bag food. Rubber bag no go food for 60 euro. It's a chicken change. Make Krokro go pay money. People when they abuse fight up and down, they better pass am 1 billion time. They not be her mates. Make she go pay debts wey dey her neck. As the police people called me this morning, say this girl never see pay their money, I was shocked. See all this why? Over 2 years now. I was shocked, my lovely, amazing people. So now see make I come use am. May I come create awareness. Say, see what they happen, oh. They are making plan to go to their house to go and arrest them, oh. So if she know what is good for her, let her go and pay. Nigeria police, you can't hold them and you go scot-free. No. No. So let's go.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This one, she's a liar. No wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not come, the police have known the house of her parents. We are going there personally with this video to go and show the parents who did she give that 100,000 to. Yesterday, I even left them in the office because they were begging. They don't have anything. They are fools. No problem now.
Unayara, why they pay them on credit, they were begging. I say, Rita, Papa, show your account details. And your account balance, I mean to say. 0 naira. There was no money. The man was not having 1 naira in his account. You the era, 1 naira he not gets. Parents will get pikin for abroad. Their account, the papa account was running 0. No 1 naira in their accounts. Nigeria police normally don't bail on credit, but they have to because there was no kobo. Kobo no gum them. I don't know why this girl abandoned her parents to wallow in poverty like this. I don't know why she even the police, even when I called the video go give them this money, the woman holla. He said, Jesus, what a liar. Even police don't even know say she be liar. Una the era, they don't even know say she be liar. Go play off, finish more and wait. Police even know say she be chronic liar. She just forming I want to be, whereas she's a nobody. Best way go if she carry her, send her own parents, may go arrest another presenter family. That will not bear people for credit, oh. But it reach her turn now, they have to bail her parents on credit. She was not able to afford bail money, and they now bail them on credit. All this while she even lied. She even bragged on social media, lied to people on social media that she even gave police money, whereas it was a lie. That is the video I went to look for this morning. I caught it and I sent it to the woman because they are the one that contacted me. Now this guy has not paid the person they arrest did not pay their money. I said, but she said it live on the social media that she has paid. She gave you guys money, which I know that she is a lie. So I have to clarify. I have to go and cut the video and now screen record it and send it to them. That is what they now listen to. They say, this guy that the father was begging, the parents were begging, no money, no kobo, no 1 naira gone there. Crow parents are living in abject poverty. They are, just imagine, okay, these are parents that people donated money for. Crow, Rita, people donated money for her to go and buy wrapper because the mother don't have wrapper. To go and buy wrapper, clean her parents up. At least she should have taken out of that money. She didn't clean them up till now. She's supposed to have taken from that money and give to pay the debt of the police. She refuses to pay. No wonder she was begging for money this morning. She was begging for money this morning. Really? Hey. I bet the police, they don't go already. And she said no. She's begging for money this morning. Hey. So lovely, amazing people. Now I can't cut that video. I can't go say and go give them. Then the police say, what? People that were begging that day that they will come and pay. They were not having no money. The parents were begging. How come she now lie on them that she gave them money before they paid them, whereas they paid them on credit, which she till now, over 2 years, she refuses to pay them. So that is what happened. Okay? Lovely people, please thumbs up this video. Thumbs up the video. Let's listen attentively, lovely people. Thumbs up, my lovely people. Help me to share. Listen again, oh. I never play and finish. Okay?
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This woman, she's a liar. No wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not.
They said tomorrow, and it is this morning they contacted me. When I record the video to go and give to them, she said she has paid you people. They say, she lie on them. They say they are mobilizing to go and arrest those wretched parents of hers that she refuses to take care of. When they donate money, give Krokro, she carried the money to go marry Kokobiri. What a selfish, self-centered girl. Money that was donated for her parents to clean up because they were looking like shit. She used it to go and do her own marriage without egbe, marriage without cow, without musician, without nothing. She used it to go and satisfy her own whatever, to go and marry Kokobiri. But her parents still remain wretched in tomorrow. Is this not a big shame? Is that not a big shame, lovely, amazing people? Yes, so she used 1 hour beg for money. Hey! God, though. Wait, why? I don't understand. Why is she trying to do what I wanna be? I wanna be. Wretched girl. Where the fee say she better pass people where she come meet. Where be say she not even reach an inch of the level of the people where she dey fight up and down. So she's begging. I can't. In fact, I have to go and see for myself. I believe you, my darling lady, but I have to go and I have to go and search, look at for myself. Mona, listen, no. Please thumbs up and share this video. Thumbs up and share, lovely people. Thumbs up and share. Help me to 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 share this video. Thumbs up and share, guys. Let's play it because I have a few minutes left. Hey! What a shame and disgrace. Everything about this girl is kaput. Shame and disgrace upon her. Everything. If I play it now, I will not stop until I finish playing it, guys. I will not stop. Prettily, I greet you. Good evening, my beautiful lady. I greet you now, my wonderful people. I'm not seeing you guys' comments. And this is really is a turn off for me. I'm talking to people now. I should get response. Wanna comment now? Let's go. Let's play it.
I've seen it too. I've heard what she said. This woman, she's a liar. No wahala, I've seen it tomorrow by the grace of God. Even if the mother did not come, the police have known the house of her parents. We are going there personally with this video to go and show the...
That's the video I sent to them this morning. Don't forget. Listen.
Who did she give that 100,000 to? Yesterday, I even left them in the office because they were begging. They don't have anything. They are fools. No problem now. Me, don't worry. Thank you very much for this video. I am going there. If they didn't even come tomorrow, I am going to the house by myself. No.
Una de ye? Rita, go and pay your debts. From Vito family where you arrest. They're not, the police not pay them or credits. From Vito send money, go pay our people where you arrest. Why you reach your turn, you not see money to pay your parents. They come need to pay them on credits. Why? Why? This is a shame now. I greet you too, my lady. This is a big shame. Mona, listen. How Ritero papa te beg, the mama and the papa te beg. How Ritero, when police go arrest them, una see and say na dirty towel mama tie because you not get anything better. Police tell her say, madam, dress. Ritero mama no bath. And I afternoon, he no bath. He was smelling. She was wozing. When say person smell. Without beauty, if you see the way she look, now no say the woman not the and the dirty type, you understand? Reasonable mother, way really clean. If they break, what see mothers they feel they do that time. Even till tomorrow. They go enter shower. They go bath. Now first thing, as early as 5, some 6 a.m. Those who know they maybe they not get where they go like retailer mama will not get trade, not they do anything now just to stay house. They look for calabar with one forecar. Mother will really get what they do as early as 4 a.m., 5 a.m. They don't bath, go market, go sell, go do their business. Or the one where they go work, they don't bath 6 a.m. They don't bath. The one where not see they get where they go, or bear way like Dorekia. If they break, yes, 8 o'clock, they don't take their shower. If they wake up, 8, 9 at most, they don't bath. But Dorekia will not be like that. A whole day, Dorekia, Krokro mama no go bath. She was smelly. I said when they went to I said she was smelly. When I see the way they say the dirty towel way there body now. Who clean and who bath not feel with that kind of dirty towel. No now. No. Who needs not they have to know. Who dirty not also they have to know. Who you're dirty naturally they know. Who needs not feel tie that kind of dirty towel? Not feel look his skin not feel dirty like that. You not feel look wretched like that. That already speak volume. Say na dirty person I Dorekia be. I am you that mama. Na dirty person I be. Re be near do woman. Not fit tie that kind of dirty towel. No matter say na they come poverty pass. Even women will not get mothers will not get children for abroad cannot tie that kind of dirty towel. And this was the reason, the condition that people saw with them, that is with these parents of Krokro, that is why people donated their hard-earned money. What did Krokro did? What did she do? She carried the money, she went to go and enrich herself by doing marriage without no family member. Without no family member. Self-centered human being. But she not feel use the money for the purpose, reason why people donated that money. And all the people who donate that money for her today, she beat all of them put for their good. Not good for them, sha. Me, I love her and say beat them put. Because they know say this girl, Krokrona, evil. And they know say she does so evil seed. But they were doing eye service by donating money to her to give to her mother to go and buy rapper. But at the end of the day, all of them, he beat them put for their good. At it is saying donate 50 euro. Lolo say they donate organic whatever they donate. He beat all of them for their good. For me, it's good for them. I not pity for them. Me, I will always say the way it is not good for them because they were hypocrites. Hypocrites and I worried that way make them donate such money because when this same person go arrest Franvito family, Franvito not ask for donation. Franvito no come they look for sympathy. From Victor carry he cross. He even pay all the money where Rita say arrest the family, pay her back. Rita even use the record where he record from Victor family. He use them to ask for money. They sell the audio out. They play and make they carry account come out. So now remember now, carry a Nigeria account come out. Make people they put alert. Make people they debit them. Make she play. Things where she record about from Victor family, where she wanted shame them, bully them. She make a lot of money out of it. On top of that, the expenses she made which she used in arresting from Victor family, she asked for it back and they pay her back. To tell you how evil she is, how greedy she is. But when her own happened, which it was karma that happened to her, because what goes around comes around. When our whole happen, people were then doing hypocrisy. Oh, move the net for her. But so they won't call. He beat all of them. He beat them for their good. He not saga lolo. He not saga atiti. He not call their name. All of them. He not beat them for their good. He did. So for that one, I good for them for that one. Because I don't like eye service hypocrisy. Hypocrites. People when they do hypocrisy, I know they like that hypocrisy way they do. So this one now, return nothing. At least take part of that donation money. Oh, good afternoon, Moses. I greet you. I'm on there. I'm on there. You know, if you take part of the money, make she take sort the debt of the police come off her neck. She refuses to do that. And now they are now asking for their money. They are now asking for their money. The senior woman for police contacted me this morning. And the other one, the DPO also contacted me this morning. Say this girl never still paid their money. and they are going to mobilize to get them arrested. They already know their house. Because they were bail on credit. They're supposed to be paid their money. Rita refused. But Rita, they do I wanna be for social media. Okay. When they talk, they call us now how Rita, that one for the money on another year. They alert me this morning. I don't already explained that one. And secondly, how when they go arrest Rita mama, she was looking so she not bath. Now year for the horses mat now. She not bath. She was smelling. To the extent police people have to roll down their glass of their motor because they could not breathe. With the bad odor that was coming out from Dora body, they could not breathe. Who see Rita we know that she's from a dirty family. If you see her mother look, her father look, they will know say nice shit, all those ones they swim. All those ones they rub themselves. But this one person will say they curse people parents, they rubbish people parents, they bully people parents up and down. They fight both the dead and the living. But our own, wait, they are alive. Who even don't buy, don't even better pass them. Okay? So let's listen.
My sister, I say even that yesterday, my policemen went there. They met the mother, did not even took.
Okay. Why stop now? Please, guys, thumbs up this video. If you are not thumbs up, may I check my time, sir. If you are not thumbs up, may I they go. 30 minutes. I have 10 minutes left. I know why I sit 1 hour for this video. More than thumbs up, more than thumbs up, more than thumbs up, more plan. We got a few minutes left. Okay, guys. Thumbs up this video. We are not even they comment. Funny enough. Funny enough. More than thumbs up, lovely, amazing people. Thumbs up and help me to share. Okay, or I should stop here. If I make I stop here, say yes. If you know I make I stop here, say no. May I continue. If you want to make I stop, oh yeah, I say you bye-bye. At least that one where I play, don't do. If you don't want to hear all that parts, you now say yes. If you don't want to hear, say no. Make I stop, say yes. If you don't want to say no, and if you say no, you go share this video, you go thumbs up. Share and thumbs up. Share. See my beautiful lady. Favor. He said continue. My lady said I can continue. Oh yeah. What about the rest people? Should we continue? Should we continue? I'm not going to sit 1 hour for this video. I don't talk. Should we continue? Now I hear. Those were just the join. Let's take the first one again. Retero the all police people go and pay their money. I'm an advocate. Go and pay their money and stop fooling around. Cro. At least police people nice, base somebody on credit. And all this why this guy refuses to pay. Now wow. And now they're not asking for their money, oh. Not be say go shock you now, they'll go bag out there, want any money, they'll go arrest them. Now you know, go and pay them now for your good. It's not a medical doctor. Hey, oh my lady. Fake life medical doctor. I pray, oh. I shall we don't pay to madam. How can she be asking donation for another person when her own parents are poverty stinking? God bless you. I dey feel it. Me, I own my phone. I'm coming, guys. I dey feel it. God bless you. Another one we be need a call Adazoe near Adazowa. Another one we need a call Adazoe. Person where good for our side. When they claim to good for us, we not good for us. Adazowa. Now I believe they call such people. Our parents need help. Money where they donate for retail. I'm gonna ask what you use and do because me get people where see they wait dead down car. That say so when I Dora see they tie they sit down for our side. I wish na person where be say he really gets value for our parents. She go Okay, the other day she dey ask classic Gloria say, Abina Monica she dey ask say, may Monica go Oja of classic Gloria mama. She wey make her mama the rob the her mama receive shame and disgrace. How many Oja you wash your mama? Even social media donated. She bend her mama and her papa hand back, collect the money to do her own. As a bad child that she is. How many Oja? She will not see herself as so return or come back Olandis and arrange her for grand video run. Go give him mama. May mama receive her. Say, oh, we know where say oh, say that 10 Olandis be this, or even 5 Olandis. We not see her. We not see her. Say na party she can't do for her parents. Take celebrate them for the shame and disgrace she bring upon them. She not do one. Common food of mouth. Food of mouth. Say may she just say okay because of the shame and disgrace when she put for her mama and her papa body, may she they give them money to feed well. In not day. But she was asking Monica, Gloria Ja, where my guy. With that dirtiness your mama take come out on social media. May you try clean them up. Buy or land this. Do one thing or two things or carry your papa that your papa will benny so. When not look healthy. Carry her go intensive care. Check up. Make they look after her. Whether he can turn to human being again. Because it's transforming into an animal. No. If na another person get that kind of papa and mama, hey, yes or not your word. Those where you're the joy. Let's take this one again. Abemo na me tell Rita make she go pay police because they say she never paid them. May go pay them their money. It's less than 60 euro. May she go pay. I'm advocating for them. May she go pay them their money.